the bathroom and go to work and stay real late. It takes you, she'll be back soon. But now she's around a pretty blonde platinum dude. I bet you never thought about